Welcome to Quiz Load. In this video, you have to name that yoga pose. If you new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like this. Correct answer is tree pose. Correct answer is child pose. The correct answer is lotus pose. The correct answer is mountain pose. Correct answer is boat pose. Correct answer is warrior two pose. Correct answer is cat pose. Correct answer is cow pose. Correct answer is cobra pose. The correct answer is bow pose.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.